Hey there! Have you ever wondered how Excel performs those incredible calculations or make decisions automatically? Today, we are going to explore something amazing called formulas in Excel. They are like the secret ingredients that powers this amazing tool, enabling it to perform calculations, make decisions, and handle data effortlessly. So, get ready to explore the mysteries behind the controlling calculations, understanding the order of precedence, the art of cell references, and discover the true magic of Excel. A formula in Excel is like special instructions that tells the program to do math, make decisions, or combine information automatically. It's like giving directions to Excel so it can solve problems for us. In Excel, cells are like boxes where we can put numbers, words, or anything we want to keep track of. Let's look at our table of products. Each row is like a story about a product, and each column is a different detail about the product. Here the columns are like the different categories of information, such as product name, supplier, or unit price. And the rows are like individual entries for each product. Now let's understand how formula works in Excel. Formulas start with an equal sign and can perform various calculations or operations. In Excel, we can add numbers using formulas. For instance, let's add the unit price of the laptop like cell E2 and the unit in stock for tablets such as cell F2 to find the total value. Click on an empty cell like cell K2 and type is equal E2 plus F2 in a new cell will show the sum of these values. Formulas can also multiply values. Let's imagine we want to calculate the total value of tablets in stock. Click on an empty cell like cell K3 and type equal. Then click on the cell where the unit price of the tablet is listed, such as cell E3, and multiply it by the number of units in stock for tablets such as cell F3. It should look like equal E3 multiply F3 and press enter. The total value of the tablets in stock is revealed. Excel formulas can evaluate conditions. What if we want to know which products is discontinued? Click on an empty cell like cell K4 and type equal if open parenthesis I2 is equal yes, then discontinued, otherwise available, then close parenthesis and press enter. This formula checks if the discontinued column I for the laptop row 2 contains yes. If true, it will display discontinued, otherwise it will show available. In Excel, order of precedence refers to the sequence in which mathematical operations are executed. It's like following a recipe. You must chop vegetables before cooking them to ensure a delicious meal. Let's explore how this works. Excel follows BODMAS, bracket, orders, divisions, multiplications, additions, and subtractions to prioritize operations. For instance, imagine we want to calculate the total cost of purchasing 10 tablets price at $250 each. If we type equal 250 multiply 10 plus 50 into a cell, Excel will multiply the tablet price by 10 first, then add 50 afterward and resulting in $2,550. Conversely, if we enter equal 250 multiply open parenthesis 10 plus 50 then close parenthesis, Excel will first add 10 and 50 due to the parenthesis, then multiply the tablet price by the sum 60. Now the result is $15,000. Parentheses are crucial as they modify the default order of operation. Just like in a sentence, changing punctuations can alter the meaning in Excel. Altering parentheses can significantly impact the result of calculations. In Excel, cells are the building blocks holding essential data. Let's unreveal how cell references in Excel can help us work smarter. Imagine needing to calculate the total value of products by multiplying their unit prices with units in stock. This is where relative cell references becomes invaluable. Click on an empty cell, let's say cell K2, and type equal E2 multiply F2. When I press enter, Excel calculates the total value for the laptop using the unit price in cell E2 and unit in stock in cell F2. But what makes relative cell references magical? Imagine dragging this formula down to apply it to other products like tablets or t-shirts. Excel adapts intelligently with autofill. The formula shifts to E2 multiply F2 for tablets and E4 multiply F4 for t-shirts. Automatically references the respective cells. This adaptability is the strength of relative cell references, adjusting the formula based on its position. Now, if we want a fixed value for our calculations that shouldn't change, absolute cell references step in to provide a constant. Suppose we aim to calculate the total cost for a product, considering a fixed tax rate stored in cell J1, let's say 10%. Click on an empty cell like cell L2 and type equal open parenthesis E2 multiply F2 close parenthesis plus open parenthesis E2 multiply F2 multiply $z $1 then close parenthesis. Here's a handy shortcut to remember when we are entering the formula. Pressing the F4 key after selecting a cell reference will add those dollar signs automatically. For example, after choosing J1, just hit F4 to make it $J $1. Now let's break down this formula a bit. The $J $1 you see here represents what we call an absolute cell references. Those dollar signs before the column letter and row number locks these cell references in place when you copy or drag this formula down using autofill or to other cells. So, no matter where you use this formula, the references to J1 will always remain fixed. It's like having a constant tax rate that doesn't change, ensuring accurate calculations each time you apply this formula. This technique can be incredibly useful when certain values needs to stay constant across multiple calculations. Wow, what's an incredible journey into the world of Excel formulas. We have uncovered the secret behind controlling calculations, learned about the order of precedence, the art of cell references, and truly delving into the magic of Excel. Remember, practice is key to mastering these Excel tools. So, until next time, keep exploring, practicing, and having fun with the Excel formulas.